Ever wondered about the genesis of one of the most prestigious examinations in India? The Union Public Service Commission, universally known as the UPSC. Today, we delve into the past, tracing the roots and evolution of the UPSC examinations. The UPSC's history is intertwined with India's colonial past. The genesis of the civil service in India dates back to the mid-19th century. The British East India Company, which then governed large parts of India, felt the need for an efficient administrative system. This led to the birth of the civil service in 1853. The examination system was not a novel concept for India. It had been a part of the Indian tradition since ancient times, with systems like the Gurukul and the Mauryan period's Adhyapak system. However, the modern form of civil services took shape under the British rule, becoming a tool for the colonial powers to govern the vast Indian subcontinent. Post-independence, the necessity for an independent body to conduct examinations for various government services became evident. This led to the establishment of the Federal Public Service Commission under the Government of India Act 1935. The FPSC was later renamed the Union Public Service Commission after the adoption of the Constitution of India in 1950. The UPSC, as we know it today, has evolved over the decades. It has adapted to the changing times, ensuring a fair and transparent recruitment process. Today, it conducts a multitude of examinations, not limited to the civil services exam. Other notable exams include the Engineering Services Examination, the Combined Medical Services Examination, and the Indian Forest Service Examination, among others. The UPSC introduced the one-time registration (OTR) for examinations in September 2016, a significant step towards simplifying the application process. This system has hosted a total of 132 events as of today. In conclusion, the UPSC has come a long way from its colonial beginnings. It has transformed from a tool of colonial dominance to an instrument of democratic representation, ensuring the selection of the best minds to serve the nation. The journey of UPSC is a testament to the evolving nature of public administration in India, adapting to the changing times and the nation's needs. In this video, we have traced the history of the UPSC from its inception during the British rule, its evolution post-independence, and its current form. We have also discussed the various significant milestones in its journey, such as the introduction of simultaneous examinations in India and London, the establishment of the FPSC, and the introduction of the OTR system. Remember, the UPSC is not just an examination body, it is a symbol of the democratic processes at work, selecting the best minds to serve the nation and uphold the values of our Constitution. The evolution of the UPSC is a journey that mirrors India's own journey from a colony to a sovereign democratic republic.